Alright fellas, today's topic, we're looking at the Taft Saint Boots. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every Friday we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get compliments. Now for a little while now, I've been seeing advertisements on Facebook and Instagram about this company called Taft.
Taft?
Joe, you don't know nothing about Taft?
I heard of William Howard Taft.
Now Taft is a company that was started because the owners were tired of seeing boots that were made poorly. So they decided to make boots that were durable, made to last. Every pair is made with a vegetable tan leather and includes Blake stitch soles.
Now that's what you want.
And these products are made in Spain, so you know they got great quality. Regardless of what pair of boots you pick up, they will always stand out. Taft is a company that makes dress shoes, boots, and sneakers that are very creative. They're so creative that it doesn't matter what style you choose, you're gonna stand out regardless. But when I saw those prices, I was like, bro,
come on, bro, why you so cheap?
A few months ago, they had a sale, and so the boots that I decided to pick up are the Saint Boots. I was impressed by the packaging myself. I thought it was very professional, especially the way the box was packed. It was packed to where the shoes wouldn't have a lot of movement, which could possibly cause damage. But regardless of that, I thought the packaging was superb.
Man, don't nobody care about the packaging. We want to see what's in the box.
They not only offer you the boots, but they also give you an extra pair of shoestrings, a shoe horn, and a dust bag. This is a full grain leather honey-colored wingtip boot with woven inline. The inside of the boot is also made out of a full grain leather as well. It also has broguing going on throughout the shoe. This isn't the only color that they have available. They also come in espresso, black, and camo. These boots have a Blake stitch sole, which allows you to resole them if you need to. Taft only offers whole sizes when it comes to boots. If you are in between sizes, you gotta size down. I wear a size 9.5.
Me too.
So I had to drop down to a 9 for it to fit. You would typically think that the shoe would fit kind of snug on my foot, but it doesn't. It fits very perfectly. Plus, after reading a few reviews, a lot of the guys have said that this boot is very comfortable and very durable, and they love these boots. If you're a guy with wide feet, then you have to go a size up. Now this is the sizing for shoes and boots, but when it comes to sneakers, if you're in between sizes, you gotta go a size up. Now looking at the sole, I'm very excited about, because I live in a city where it snows in the winter. I need a boot that got a little grip to it. And as you can see, looking at the sole, it has some grip to it. I don't really gotta worry about slipping and falling as long as I'm careful. That's a big thing to me. I ain't trying to embarrass myself.
Don't get caught slipping.
Now it doesn't matter if you're dressing up or dressing down. This is a great boot to have, and it shows its versatility. So I'm very happy that I was finally able to pick up a pair of Taft boots. Now the original price of this shoe is about $295. But a few months ago, it was on sale for $236. Plus, I used one of my friend's discount codes, which gave me $23 off. So that was a win for me.
Let me get that code though.
Shout out to my homie, by the way, for offering me that discount code. Now, a great thing about this company is they offer Afterpay. And Afterpay allows you to pay 4 installments every 2 weeks. Now this could be a benefit for you if you don't have all the money right away. Me, myself, I'd rather save up the money to pay for it, but it's good to know that you have that option. The great thing about Afterpay is that it gives you 0% interest free, and there are no fees included in this service. Let me know what you think of this boot in the comment section below. If you own a pair of Taft boots, let me know what your thoughts are as well. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button, because it helps support my channel and it allows YouTube to know that I'm here, and it'll bring more viewers to check out the video. Shout out to all you Dappercrats out there. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.